Let's go, Sibling Rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? It's been working just that. Hello.
What's up, everybody?
And welcome back to Sibling Rivalry. Back like we never left. Oh, that was last week. Oh, man.
Back like insendo yomqolo. No?
No.
Okay, sorry.
Unensendo mqolo.
Ayidla ngothi umama ngosasikhula fonini. Uthi jonga umqolo unezibatshi.
Our parents are so obsessed with cleaning us. You always felt like you're the dirtiest person in the room.
No, absolutely.
You're just like, "Look, I'm dark." You're like, bro, I've been outside.
Also ndihamba ngenyawo ndidlala ethulini.
Ay, boo. Hope you guys are good. Welcome back to another episode. And it's regular programming from now on. I know you guys missed us. Yokunini nisishauta. Episode. We're back.
Sibuyile guys, sibuyile man. I think we did try to kind of give you guys a heads up about, hey guys, kwenzeka oku noku. Thank you so much for bearing with us and being with us in this waiting period, because nathi ke besi ngekho right ncam sine itches zethu, but ke we're back and let's go. The next here's to the next 49 episodes.
How was your week? You're back in full swing.
Why was introduced?
Tungubani? Oh, my name's Talita. Hey.
And then there's me, Talita's brother.
In case it's your first time here. Oh my gosh, I've totally forgotten Masazanjani. My name is Talita. I'm this one's older sister, and we are brothers and sisters.
Yes.
We're happy and we're singing.
And we color.
Yeah. Cool.
Otherwise? My week was my week's been cool. It's been cool, nice and quiet. According to Teni. Nothing out of the ordinary.
Anifike emsebenzini busy lawe xa nifika from Jan.
Fundini. Because there's also now we're trying to figure out, okay, what are we doing?
What is the actual plan?
Absolutely closing
And is she
things.
the end of the year in a plan for next year?
Let me answer that question next year. Figu next year. Yeah, no, so just kind of been catching up on like old stuff and then seeing what's coming down the line as well.
Okay.
Which has been pretty cool. It's just kind of like the status.
Injari yakho.
Injari yami right. The boy back on.
Oh really?
Yeah, back on. Boy,
oh, that's nice.
No, I'm back on. I'm running. I'm just the works.
Okay.
So I'm happiness over there.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. When?
Quiet.
Okay.
Yeah. Nothing has happened in my life yet in terms of my busy in the till and the auditioning.
Ne?
Ngathi ndiyapractice.
For into zayo. Practice for into zayo. You must keep sharp.
I hope so. Yeah, lots of auditions, which is cool.
Yeah.
Because that doesn't really happen often.
Absolutely.
But sibaklando yolinda ke ngoku xa uso audition.
Ubulali nomonde.
Ne foyindini unobulali nomonde. And that's not even the hard part, because andicingi noyicinga uba ndilinde into ethile. Like if I tell like umama that, I went for an audition for something, she'll be like,
Uzobuzwa nguye.
yeah, ngizobuzwa nguwe bese ndiyilibele.
Okay.
Not like ndiyilibele, but you put it in the back of your mind somewhere where you don't have to revisit it until you have
Correct,
to.
because there's nothing that you can really do about it in that moment.
Oh, 100%.
Or going forward. It's not like uzafona abantu. Ngoku la nto sentsho. La mcimbi, la mpahla ikomi.
Exactly, none of that. But I've been okay. I had a bit of a health scare.
Okay.
So that's kind of keeping me up at night at the moment.
Okay.
But I'm seeing the specialist tomorrow.
Oh, okay, nice. Okay, cool. All the best.
Thanks, I need it.
Yeah.
I'm so stressed.
Let me know how it goes. You want me to come with you?
No.
You sure? I can hold your hand.
It's chilled vibes.
Okay.
You're lucky you even know about it. You just happened to be there.
So specialist, you're a specialist, formal education specialist,
Or
African trained specialist.
Okay, one doesn't see a good African.
Angapha izinto ziyatshintsha fondini. Watsho
Would
noBrenda.
I say Masi specialist also? Is that the word I would use to describe it?
Ewe.
That's so
Specialist, African chemistry specialist.
No.
Okay.
It's
sure.
a formal education specialist.
Okay.
Why is it so expensive to see a specialist, bruh?
Because bafundile for now baneminyaka.
Nathi siyagula for nini ke ngoku?
Ayongxaki yabo lento banikula. Ngena apha emleguleni kwakho Brian. Gotta feed my family, bro.
God, you don't need all that money. You can feed your family for half that price. When there's something like really wrong with you and you have to now go see somebody who only specializes in law and law. No one's and be right, you know?
Now, isingathi la mali ne imele ba abo bantu ubabhatala commission. If you can make it go away, then you get your full price. But if not, you're just gonna give me a dog, it's giving scam, man.
That should be the
absolutely
law.
performance bonus.
100%. If you fix what's wrong with me, you get your full money. And if you don't, then you don't.
And if you are a specialist, don't ask me what I'm feeling. You tell me. The kinds of I get there, I sit down, and you say to me,
Yes,
1,800 an hour when pancreatitis.
Yeah, show me. Amagazi. Let's do another test. Oh, next week we'll do another test. What's wrong with me, Puti? What are you specializing in? Testing. Sorry, I'm a little bit mad about the money.
I want that money.
It's too much money. That's all I'm saying.
Oh, askis, Brian.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, all the best with that.
Excuse me.
I wish you.
It's just such a strange thing.
Man.
Before you office and you already know what's wrong with you. Yeah, for sure. Because there's always gonna have to be like a follow-up.
Yeah. How do you feel about doctors in general going to the doctor?
Whatever, I don't care.
No. It's neither here nor there.
No.
I couldn't care less.
Right?
Yeah. And I know there's people that avoid doctors, like avoid them. Uxolela, uphelela kulo bhe-
Sorry, I had to call her out. That person does not want to see a doctor.
Why?
She would rather die, dog. Literally. She would rather.
So when you ask, what's the chat?
So the one thing she said to me this one time was that because she doesn't like to take medication.
Okay.
And so medication because she believes that the body self-heal.
Okay.
I'm like, not with everything. Imagine, so trying to get her to take pills is like mission impossible.
Yeah, I know people that just don't like taking pills as well. Like just like
you don't have to like it. Do you like feeling healthy? Do you like feeling normal?
Fair.
Then do this thing that don't attend you.
Yeah.
Not as soon as Ringati calling into off, I just want to get rid of it.
Because you don't want it to get worse.
This is another thing, especially then you're just like, oh no. And then the doctor's like, oh, if you'd have come a month ago, we could have fixed it.
Yeah.
Now, we kroko.
Yeah, okay, fair. But okay, yeah. Yeah, Masamin, man, let's try it. I think that's one thing that we can just add on. Let's try. As soon as you identify something, let's just try and get it sorted out. The sooner the better. The sooner the better. Said with a reason, boy. You know what I mean?
For sure, but I need doctors because you have to keep going back. And you're like, bro, siyafana mos.
Also, when you 650, I'm gonna look for that.
Exactly, 650 because I intense.
Movement against doctors.
I understand why people don't want to go, but like also I just don't like feeling not myself.
Okay.
Enough to go stand the chance of parting with the 650
Do you ever try the Dr. Google route?
Always.
And you always get told by him,
you're dying.
You got 3 months to live.
You got 3 months to live, my brother.
Yeah.
I always do it, but I'm always just like, and you know yourself, man. You know your body, and you know when into ivakale ngathi into that you've never felt before, and it's like uncomfortable in
Yeah.
a way. And soze ngihlale nepain.
Yeah, no,
No,
good.
ngizokwazi.
No. Good on you, bro. I think we can move on to the next section. Guys, taking this thing very seriously.
We got a book.
We got gifted a book by a family member. Thank you so very, very much.
Yes.
I don't know if we're supposed to show this book. Nale book noba beyireleasiwe okanye iyathathwa andikosure, but anyways.
Of course
Yintoni igama lale ncwadi, Talitha?
Sasinoncwadi kwatanci.
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 Oh my gosh.
Guys, Xhosa is crazy,
I know,
bro.
I still don't know what that means. And I was told, I forgot.
Utanci for me is like back in the day, kwakudala.
Oh.
Uncwadi and mazi does ncwadi.
Yeah, but then it wouldn't say
We had-
sasinoncwadi.
Come on, phone, let's figure it out. Come on, Talitha, phone.
I
It's not Hlulwa
can't.
Ilendo.
And I've been told the answer.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I can't
Oh,
remember.
okay. Yeah, well. Mama, thetha wethu ke. Cacile ba ingena ngapha.
Oh, he's trying to be mommy's pit. Okay, cool. So we got this book
Yes.
and we started like reading it while we were on holiday when Umama was in the country.
Yeah.
And there's so much stuff in there that you just do not know.
Yes.
But there was also so much stuff that we could actually guess because
Mhm.
Umama was like asking us some of the questions in the book and we didn't know a lot of the stuff,
Yeah.
but you can kind of guess your way into certain things as well.
Yes.
So we decided, let's bring it on here so that the closeness of it all ibe ngqindile.
Yeah, it could be official.
Yes.
But now the thing about it is that not everything is explained in this book. So there's certain things.
No, because it's not that kind of book.
So
It's
can
like,
we-
get it? Don't get it?
Yes.
Ah,
So it's kind of
so-
like what we do anyways. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
true.
Where we read something, we try and figure it out, and then obviously we rely on you guys to try and help us out there. Of which you guys have been very helpful, and thank you so much for that.
Mm.
Niyasinceda nyhani. Uronda ne. Sis phansi.
Mhm. Oh, on that note, there was a word with an R that we used.
Yeah.
That's obviously not a real Xhosa word because it
Yeah.
has an R that is pronounced R.
Yeah.
But it had like 3 different meanings. People were like, it means like our last word that we had. Abanye abantu bathi it means umuntu ongoneliyo. Abanye abantu bathi it means umlevo.
Kibiri.
Ikibiri.
Oh yes.
Yes.
There was very many different explanations on that.
100%, which was why I was like, oh, this is obviously not a Xhosa word, besides the R part.
Oh,
But
it could
it's
be a
just a
slang.
word-
It's not
it's
an
a-
official.
It's not an
Xhosa word.
official
Yes,
Xhosa
I can
word.
get that.
It's just a word that people have now taken and made to mean whatever it is that they want.
Yeah.
Kibiri is not a Xhosa word.
Cool. So, EQT Bikumke this week to come up with what the closeness of it all is going to consist of.
Mm-hmm.
And the kete is section apa iti amaqhalo.
Of course you would.
Right?
Because you're obsessed.
Amaqhalo. And also, did you what phone this class in high school?
Never.
Oh, okay. Now I'm on this phone and I'm on phone.
I went to the Xhosa class for like a month and I was like, this is
this is not
terrible.
it.
Mrs. van der Merwe.
Yeah.
No, thank you.
So I'm gonna read you two. And we're gonna try and figure it out, I
Okay,
guess.
cool.
Because guys explain now. The first one.
Amaqhalo, what is it in English?
Kaloku nje, calm you. Okay. So, oh man, uyityhilile le page.
Hi, bo.
Oh, okay. Intaka yakha ngoboya benye. I like these sayings. I like, man, Igalo, isn't it like, I don't want to say it's a saying. I don't want to say it's a proverb. But in the park.
Yes. I hear you. I hear
Yeah, sure.
you. Okay.
Intaka yakha ngoboya benye.
A bird builds with another bird's hair.
Explain it. Don't tolika it.
Well, I'm licking it for the people who don't get it.
Yeah.
It could possibly mean that you build with other people's stuff. I don't know. What do you think it means?
I don't know. The first thing that came to mind for me when I read that was like, this is kind of weird. Into ethi, like, umntu uthathwe emntwini.
I don't think so.
That's the first thing that came to my mind. Intaka yakha ngoboya benye. So for me, you understand that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Come on, man.
I see the logic.
You understand?
Yeah.
In terms of ukhona umntu, like for example, umntu athathwa emntwini is because sethathiwe laa mntu walungiswa watyurushwa
Right.
uyomthatha phaa so wakha so umntu onothatha umntu wakho
Yeah.
wakha ngoboya bakho.
Ewe.
Yes.
Yes.
Uboya wakha ngoboya benye.
Yes. That's so wild.
If
If you guys know what it means, please, I pray that that's not what it means. If you guys know what that one specifically means, please let us know. What's the second one?
Yeah. Second one, akho mntana ongazoba notata apha.
Don't lie.
I'm joking. I'm joking.
Why you said it like you were
But
reading
in
it?
2050, this is about in books, those or no. You watch the second
What
one.
does that mean?
Hey, sometimes when you udla ngoba mhlawumbe omnye umuntu obanjiswe i-handsball okanye
Oh my
ethwe
gosh.
ibhatyi. Utata ungazoba namntana apha fonini.
You
You
bamba
understand?
apha.
Yeah.
Iba ngutata.
Catch.
Wow.
You understand?
Okay.
Inkomo isengwa ngoyaziyo. I like that one.
You reap the yeah.
Uthi hayi kuwe ne not.
To your face.
Yeah. Yeah.
You reap the benefits of your own hard work.
What?
What? Why not?
Inkomo isengwa ngoyaziyo.
Ewe.
You reap the benefits of your own hard work.
Yes, I said it. You heard it.
I don't know.
Okay, let's hear yours.
Mine is more like, andiyazi theni zonke i-examples
Zabantu.
But inkomo isengwa ngoyaziyo uba uThalita if uyithyrend endlini mna I know her best. So xa kucelwa into ndihamba icelwa ndim nguThalita.
Kule nkomo
Yes,
izosekwa.
kule nkomo izosengwa. You understand? For example, I don't know if I can link it. If you're a daddy's girl,
Yeah.
then you wanted to go somewhere, sifuna playland, okanye sifuna roadhouse ngoba
uh.
sasakhula. Then afonini inkomo isengwa ngoyaziyo. Oh, besawuthuma umama, besingazothuma wena.
Because akayongomo yethu.
Yes.
Inkomo kamothers.
You understand? Yes. Inkomo isengwa ngoyaziyo. So umuntu
Why
azawukwazi
do yours
uthini
make sense?
umsofta nendoni. Yabo?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You reap what you sow.
That's not what I said. You reap the benefits. of your
Uvuna
own
le nto ityalileyo. Yeah.
Okay.
So those are my two. I think those are quite fun.
Yeah, those are good.
I look
Well
forward to
done.
using them in situ as well.
Once you find out what they mean.
Yeah, lofun inkomo isengwa yaziyo tete. Yeah.
And I can see you doing it. So if you know what that one means as
Yeah.
well, please let us know in the comments. And if you don't know what it means, just let us know what you think it means. Just usibonile nathi besikagela la.
Yes, correct.
Let us know what you think it might mean, and then we will somehow find out by it and do it.
Yeah, no,
And that's
absolutely.
so bad. But
Ndixolela man, I just need to be a bit careful. Ziphukile ezi specs. Zifake i-super glue. So,
oh, Kanene, you said zophukile.
Yeah. So, that's another. Ufuna izpecs. Hayi izpecs ndazifuna ndazifumana tsomi andizithandi.
And then
abazicaphukeli abantu
can uzibonisa abantu before
Ne?
ufake ukuthi gqi.
divele ba-ente ne
Ewe.
okay sharp anzi aba-ente okay it's fine it's aba-ente
The website ndikusendele yona.
I can't. So one thing about me, so you sent me this website and I'm just like, I can't picture, I don't know by frame and fanela bangephi.
The thing is, Pakla website, you can put your picture and then uman uzifaka.
Oh, I don't know if I'm going to be a really great judge of that. Again, I've refer.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, that's something that I'm not looking forward to. I was actually thinking today, but maybe if you involve abahlali like on my Instagram or whatever, go to a place in Linganese and iti makuvotwe. But then again, or you voted 50%, then I just think it's just
But
one of those
also
things
you
where
have one that you prefer. So
yes.
if abahlali vote against it, then uzothatha lunga ifuni.
They tell abahlali kick rocks.
Kick rocks,
So then
Bahlali.
why ask them in the first place? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So
100%.
I just think this is one of those things that I must use to just learn to trust myself more.
Well, because haven't you been doing that with, especially with these as
Yeah,
well?
yeah,
Abahlali
these I did that.
bebengazifuni ezi, right?
Yes. Kanti it's a frutama yanfanela. Can you imagine?
Kufanele ukufa.
Yeah. So yeah, man. And I think if we're gonna move into the topic at Amhlanje, on the last episode we mentioned kind of like those gifts that we got from mom and dad, which was like a book that they had to fill in. I'm not gonna go through the whole story by book. If
No, but we went through the
if
story
not,
last week.
then episode 59. You
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
So it just got me thinking now, Uba, we actually don't know our parents
No, 100%.
that well
As humans.
as human beings.
Yeah.
Right? They from a point when we are small, they move into the parent place.
Yeah.
And that's where they stay. You assume the child role, and that's where you stay
Yeah.
forever.
Yeah.
And then you know high level things about them.
From
From
a certain age.
You understand?
Yes.
But a simple thing like we pulled out in that book, how do they like their eggs?
Dude, no idea.
You understand?
Mm.
How do they like their eggs? What's their favorite color?
Yeah.
No, no favorite color that. Mzuba.
I have no idea.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's things like that where I'm just like, hey man, these things, it's easy for us to know about our friends, our partners, and other people, but
Yeah.
we very often don't do that exercise. So what I wanted to do is to have that exercise between us two,
Okay.
getting to know each other.
For sure.
You understand?
Mm.
Almost as if like we're on almost as if we're on a date. But you're obviously, yeah, you go romantically the way. But I'm just getting to know you, the small little things about you. I
Sure.
think those are the things that I think sometimes, because what is friendship built on? Friendship is built on commonalities,
Yeah, for sure.
right? And sometimes we are completely oblivious to the things that we have in common with our
Yeah.
siblings,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Because we don't ask the question, because you never really think of it.
No, the thing is, nincokola ezinye izinto into zasekhayeni, izinto like you don't like.
Ewe.
I think also because you don't get to a point like when you meet someone on a date, nibadala nobayi-two anazani at all. You have to
Correct,
start
we're from a bar
somewhere.
of soap,
So you
yes.
you kind of start at like a simple place.
Yes, trying to find the in
Yes.
common things.
100%.
Yeah.
Whereas xa ukhule nomntu, it's different because you kind of don't even remember meeting them. Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
And so you've always known them and
Fair.
you've always known a lot of things about them. And mhlambi, it's not the things that you would ask on a date, obviously,
Yes.
but it's different things.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Leno Choiba, the things that you ask on a date, those are the real things that you can say, ba, I'm on your Muslim.
Mm,
Like, for example, if you were to be put on a game show,
mm.
ubuzwe questions ngam.
You.
I think that's so wild that I also probably wouldn't pass that
Yeah.
challenge.
Because it's simple things that you don't know.
Ewe.
Yeah.
It's the little things is but people outside of Inansika, people outside of your family, you know about them and you do. For
Yeah.
example, ubani yamazi handy flowers.
Yeah,
So what do? You get them flowers.
for sure. I like
Not
sunflowers.
plants. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Sunflowers.
Sunflowers.
Yeah. Don't buy me roses.
Okay.
I mean, if you want to, sure.
But you like sunflowers?
Yeah, definitely.
That's so definite. That's actually a definite, straight answer, and something that I could have learned years ago, and I could have been buying you sunflowers all along. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, true.
Hayi, ndihlambele izitya wena. Ndihlambele
Oh my
izitya,
gosh,
and
we're
I'm
so
good to
much
you, and I do all
complaining.
of these things. It doesn't matter whether the dish is washed, yeah or nay.
But I went through distress while it was happening. No,
So
I hear you.
yeah,
I hear
so
you.
that's the kind of exercise that I want to go through, and I think I want to kind of challenge you guys as well to.
Umbuze fondini umntana kowenu uba fondini
Ewe.
ithini favorite color yakho fondini.
But yeah, understand.
Yeah.
And yeah, I guess because we don't all have siblings, right? But also like umzali, like other family members that you're kind of close to or you'd like to get close to, nieces, nephews, like this like goes, and I like it because it covers everyone.
Yeah, for sure.
Do you know what I mean? It's
Umakhulu wakho.
dog.
Yeah.
Things like that, bro.
Yeah.
Like where you can really start to get to know people on a deeper level by asking sort of surface level questions.
100%. How do you like your
Oh, I
eggs?
love
I
that.
love it so much.
Rapa, sana lam. I don't
Dead.
care. Nobody take whether it's scrambled, whether it's whatever poached,
Yeah.
or it must just
Be
like
dead.
you must believe, but it's going to bounce if it falls on the floor. That's how rubber. I like my eggs like rubber.
Same.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. You made egg sauce the other day.
Oh yes, I did.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
I felt so proud of myself, Ngalamini.
Why?
I made us breakfast.
Because
I
I was sick.
I just felt like I was helpful. Like,
You were. I mean, it was very nice because I can't remember the last time. Actually, no one has made me breakfast. But
Really?
No.
oh,
Pakwam.
breakfast and bread.
Ay, next. Next, Baba.
So yeah, so I guess we can kind of start going through it.
Okay.
Feel free not to ask me back. What I'm asking you, that's okay. This is a very selfish thing. I'm just trying to get to know you.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
Okay, cool.
Yeah. I got look different enforcer. Maybe you're not trying to get to know me. So
Now I'm like, what's your favorite color? Boring. If you say blue, I'm gonna walk out of here. Okay, cool, great. Okay, so we're on a date. Hi, sorry for being early. Why don't people ever say sorry for being early?
because you're the only one there.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, lingo wewe pa. You got no one to talk to. So I took one waiter.
Figure out xesha. Kaloku xa ifikile umntu yena efika on time, you must apologize for being early. Yeah. There's a baby.
So yeah, I think we'll start with like very surface level, like very
Blase. Blah,
yeah,
blah.
exactly. Something like what did you say is your favorite childhood memory?
Oh my gosh. That's so intense. I don't have a lot of childhood memories, first
Correct.
and foremost. But I remember how things made me feel, right? And those then in turn become
Correct.
the childhood memories that I
Yeah.
cling to.
Because you never really remember what people say, but you remember how
They
make
make you
feel.
feel. Yeah, if a chain, okay. So, so we used to do like a lot of road tripping. I mean, I'm gonna call it road tripping,
Yeah.
but what go to what
Yes, correct.
essentially.
Yeah. This is like usuke by uye lalini etsomo
Yeah.
or usuke by uye king.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I loved those road trips.
Okay.
For real. I was always like, when is the next one?
Really?
Yes, for sure. Because it's almost like our parents became different people on those road trips.
Funny. Time I remember Nat King Cole.
Yeah, you for sure. That's exactly
And you
what I
would
was
never
gonna
listen
say.
to anything endlini.
No, but on the road trip, we were privy to like, oh, you listen to Nat King Cole? This is cool. I mean, so much so that I know that album back to front. Like,
Yeah, now I'm till
used
today.
to play it over and over again. And I loved that. I thought it was such a cool insight into who our parents were
Yeah, that's cool.
outside of like them having to take care of us and being strict, being donodondoni. I like that. It just felt different. It didn't feel like being at home. It felt like we were like homies going on a trip.
Oh, okay. That's really cool. Hey.
I want to know yours. I want to know yours.
I actually think about that all the time, like especially when I'm traveling in Eastern Cape, and then I'm just like, and then because I was doing 1 kilometer, one picture home, and you won't see people with me lepa, but because guys suppose they buy a bonyolo again in this day and age.
Yeah, 100%.
But I'm like, we used to stop. And I suppose because we were kids.
Yeah.
Also, there's no need for us to stop now on a 2.5 hour drive.
Yeah,
you
for
understand?
sure.
And we used to
Khalimi
stop from
Park,
Kapung Park of one
Yeah.
you move money, mlenze. Delay, party.
100%.
That's
And
cool.
just like eating without like the formality of a plate was just fun as
Yeah,
well.
yeah,
It's
yeah,
like
yeah.
you just like, we can
Yes.
eat anything. That was cool. I remember
That's cute.
I must have been very young though. Sisia it's Omo.
Yeah.
And then that's when the Transkei and the Ciskei were still separated. And
Yes.
then we had to go through like a border gate
Yeah.
to get to the Transkei. And then we had to like hide. And that was so wild for me.
Yeah, well.
I was always like, what happens if we get busted? Why were we hiding?
Andiyazi. Ifana lana
Sasingenadompas.
kuthiwa ibinyama ehaqu. We are lonely.
No.
Apparently there was, I don't know, now swine flu.
Oh, yes. And you weren't allowed to travel.
I don't remember that. I don't remember hiding.
You don't?
No.
No, I was really small, so you must have been much younger.
Mm.
But Sasi said back at Venini, like they put like blankets on us and everything.
Also, kwakusetshwa njani? Setshwa ngamehlo.
Nithule. Angamapolisa.
Yini, Talita.
Can you imagine how scary that was?
That's wild, bro. That's super wild.
Because uyazazi nakufuna uphinde ubuye and ubuye uhidile.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. But yeah, the road trips was my favorite thing.
Okay.
What was yours?
The one memory that comes to mind for me is when we used to, after church on Saturday in the evening.
So window shopper.
So window shopper. Yeah, with the family.
Yeah.
Singene mall.
And it's closed.
Kubaliwe.
The mall is closed. There's no one
Kubaliwe.
there. There's no one there. But you can still walk in
and
the
go
mall.
look in the shops.
Mm.
Zempahla, nendoni. Walking in the passage of the mall or a strip mall,
Yeah.
a Spawn Road or wherever, just looking at stuff.
Yeah.
And then afterwards, the
Yeah, Roadhouse. And get burgers.
Yibeka,
Yeah.
foot long hot dog. Nayongindo. Those for
Yeah.
me were really, really
Those were
cool
cool.
memories.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
mean, it really does speak to like how they like tried with the whole family as a
Family
unit
unit.
situation.
Yes,
I
yes.
mean, I've never heard omnye umntu othetha about sasiqheliyo window shopper nabazali bethu on a Saturday night.
Yes.
And if someone has that memory, please let us know. But it's so specific to my childhood
Yes.
that I feel
yes.
like no one else did it. It's
Correct,
just us,
correct. Or
yeah.
maybe even share like the stuff that you guys possibly did.
Yeah, for sure.
Your little rituals, if you like.
Yes, yes.
I want to say that, but with as light a meaning as possible.
Yeah.
Into zinjalo.
Mm.
And I think for me the fun part into is a couples club. So our parents were in a couples club.
Oh, best thing
Abakubeka
ever.
imali, and then once a year or whatever we all go away.
On
And
a dope
their
holiday.
friends bring their kids, and then we
Mm.
go on a dope holiday, and we're all hanging out like 5 couples with their kids and stuff like that, which is,
Those were the best.
bro,
Yeah.
yo, but yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
basizama, shame.
Bastraya, man, fethu, bastraya,
And I mean, the
bastraya.
thought of a couples club in like the early 90s is like
Yes.
wild, man.
Oh.
Completely wild.
No, absolutely,
Mm.
absolutely. Izawuba need to buy 2 kodwa so
Okay, fine.
because we're gone, but we haven't gone anywhere.
We are our first. This date is going really well.
Tell me a little bit about you and food.
What about
Are
me?
you a foodie?
No.
Okay,
I wish that I could take a pill and get all my nutrients in the food.
thanks.
I don't want to chew. I don't want to think about what I'm going to eat. I don't want to make it. I don't want to wash the dishes. I don't want anything to do with the food situation at all.
Yo, it's very rare when you see someone oti, I don't want to make the food. I don't even want to eat.
No.
Ngabo bangathanda ukwenza food, ngabo badla ngothanda ueater. So it's very rare that you'll see someone that's exact. I want to see tatape.
Le nto
Exactly how I
ongafuni
feel.
ukutya?
You, namashi.
Really?
Kage mna, I didn't take it as far as the poll. I think when you were very 2050 about this. No, I was just like, if ungatya kayi-1 ngecawa for 3 hours, ungaphinde utye the whole week. Yeah, but yo, indoda,
Oh,
yeah.
food bores me. Ndicinga ngokuba ndizotya ntoni xa ndifike endlini.
Oh, no.
I know uba ndizotya ntoni because I defroster as we
Yeah,
speak.
correct.
But I'm just like, do I have to?
Damn. okay.
Sometimes I like my time and I eat like at the same time every day.
Yeah.
Will come and I'll be like, could I make it the whole night without this meal? And then sometimes I'm like, yeah, I think I had a big lunch. So
Noma ulali
I will-
ngezinye imini uyafeyinda wena kawucimba uyalala.
But tonight you're quiet. Come on, man. I should have eaten.
Yeah,
Then did you apple and peanut butter?
Nje uthi nje.
Then I have to go to bed.
Yes,
then I'm
correct, immediately.
Amolala
Yes.
because uzophinda ulambe but yeah ukutya ndifuna kona.
So you wouldn't even go as far as to say like you've got like a favorite meal,
No.
a meal that you'd never pass up, uyibona.
No. Ndoni nyama, pasta, ndoni fish. Oh. Inyama is another thing. Inyama ndiyithandi. That's another thing also.
Or ithanda inyama.
Ayitya, but it's not like yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. That's how I feel all the time. Yeah.
Bawula inyama.
Bawula inyama oko.
Kaloku ityani.
If anyone had
It's
asked
in
me,
your DNA.
anyone undivuse ngo-11 ebusuku nangam, ndikuphathe ubawela ntoni iphathe nento ndiyavala inyama nangam. Like that's not completely my thing. Even though okay, I feel completely blah, but ke ndayithanda ne-dessert ke mna ke.
Oh yeah.
I-malva ne-ice cream.
I had to learn to
Aye,
not to
oh,
like those things.
Yeah,
Dessert was a good
correct.
thing.
Yeah, for sure. No, definitely. Okay. So I feel like this is not a dating therapy. So tell me about the special people in your life. You've got something big that's going on, right?
Yeah.
You got the role of your dreams. You met who you think is your soulmate. You're
Which is every time I
Wait.
meet someone. Ask Puleng, she knows all about it.
There we go. Okay. I think it's the one. So you find out Guti.
I'm pregnant.
Yeah. Yeah, you're pregnant, like things like that. Right? Bond yakho approve Who do you tell?
Yeah, I think Puleng is one of those
Okay.
people. Yeah. She also she gets as excited as you are.
Okay.
I think that's one of the things that makes her that person.
Yeah.
Because you know you're gonna tell her and she's gonna be like, oh no way! She's gonna be like just as
Oh
psyched.
yeah.
is always
Sebangathi
really-
yenzeka kuye.
No, 100%.
Oh, that's very nice.
She receives very well.
Okay.
Like, do I have to have more than one?
It's fine. You're gonna just have one. Because
Okay.
now I was gonna ask Uguti, a family, in what order would you tell us? But I ain't trying to start nothing.
Don't start
Okay,
nothing,
cool.
then gon' be nothing.
Yeah, so that would be kind of like your.
I'm just thinking if I was pregnant, who would I'd definitely tell mom first. No doubt about
Really?
it. Yes.
Mhlawumbe ungathini? Lethi bandifaka amathambo. Ndiraca. Sana lam. Yeah.
Dizi nengane kaCicimbi.
Into sport ndinebhola katsotsi.
No. I'd probably just like, oh my gosh, mom, I'm having a baby.
Can you believe? Can you believe I'm having a baby? Okay.
I can't even imagine how she'd react.
Yeah. Okay. And now when it comes to bad news, also the same in terms of go-to person.
It takes me long to talk about bad news. That's another thing.
Okay.
So I think sometimes it's just dependent on who's there and who's asking the right question at the time.
Oh, so you wouldn't necessarily kind of like volunteer that?
No.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You?
Yeah, you must catch me like off guard, and I'll probably tell you.
Oh, man, delete.
What?
Okay, like let's discuss like something really dark.
Like what?
like something really dark. You go something that okay, let me talk about something that I know definitely won't happen from this situation. You go see your specialist. It's a specialist, but no, Mjana, we have to amputate both your arms.
That's really dark.
Yes. But
Then-
also very unlikely. So
Yeah,
because I
yeah,
also
yeah.
don't want to put
When-
negative energy in the air.
I mean, I think because mom knows I'm going, she'd probably call and ask me like 5 minutes after about Gutwin.
Okay. So ungalinda lo call.
Yeah, definitely.
Uzayiphendula
I'm not
njani,
picking up the phone and calling any
Yeah.
of you to tell you
Okay.
that. That's so scary.
Hey, sana yazi uthini lo gqirha. Like
Hey, hayi ke sana, wathi ugqirha ba.
Okay.
Yeah, I have to sit with it because I also process long. I
Oh,
think
yes,
that's why.
yes. Okay.
That's why I sit with bad news more often because
Yeah.
I process it takes me very long to
Yeah.
process izinto. So I feel like I'd have to process something first before ndimxelele omnye umntu so that I can also be able to engage with them, like questions.
Correct.
Into sendiyicingile.
Yes. We create a kind of like the bandwidth
Yes, for sure.
to have the discussion.
To have the discussion for sure. Wena ngabalisela bani? I want a bouncing baby. I'm
Bavala
bouncing.
betop. Singasiwa ndime so sis.
Hayibo.
Keen molo anytime.
Isengomba. Hayibo Zuko. Who did you tell?
I think ndiyabalisela intwana yam Taibi.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ndiyabalisela yena, ndingabalisela. Yeah, ngabalisela abantu abaninzi.
Really? Secretive kangaka wena?
I'm not secretive.
Oh, you keep saying that, but fine.
Because I'm not. And because secretive.
Umuntu secretive
Thanda
doesn't-
indaba, thanda uthetha indaba, including ezi zam.
No.
Andikwazi uzibamba mna. I can't. Andikwazi uzibamba. Mna. Qha ke ndinika nabo abandinikayo, inika.
Oh.
Yayiva? Yes.
Oh.
You understand? Bandayaba. Talita, andimazi noma angandixelela, ndizawuxelela lo ndimaziyo na. Does that make me a gossip monger? Because ndibalisela abantu because ndifuna abantu balisele. Oh no. What is happening?
You're not a gossip monger because now you're also giving.
Yes.
Gossip monger, ifuna uva indaba cha.
Da, ndifuna
Yes.
reciprocation.
Yes, ufuna reciprocation.
Yes. Yeah.
Abazali babalisele nini wena ulibela kubalisela abantu abaninzi.
Yeah. Inoba, I probably would tag you to tag them.
What do you mean?
Ndingabalisela wena phone ndithi mna phone ayise phambili.
Hayibo.
Khase kumhlala ngaphambili.
Why?
No, ndoyika.
What are you gonna do?
Phone hayi.
You're a grown
It's fine.
man.
It's fine Dangam. Kawuye. You're a grown woman also.
I had nothing to do with this situation.
It's fine Dangam.
Because now they're going to be asking me questions that I don't know.
It's fine.
Kuba nomntana, how far along? Kwenzeka
Phendula kaloku nawe mas. Hayi ndangama nayisa.
That is so cute.
Nabi.
That's cool. I like it.
Ndithini?
Yeah?
Ndithini? Yeah, hayi. Yeah, medicine. Huh? Okay, better is 2025. No, time we are pregnant. Yo. No, thank you. Miss me with that.
Saba ngutamkhulu.
No, thank you. No.
Oh, that's
So-
cool. I hope I actually get to do that. I'd love to.
No?
Yes.
Okay, okay. If ke uThixo uyavuma, then ngenza inika wena lo Nansika.
No job.
Yeah,
Love
absolutely.
that for us. Enze ekugqibela ke ngoku.
Okay. Are we agreeing to having a party?
100%.
I like this.
Yeah,
Ndiyayithanda le
I like these
episode.
questions. Yeah.
Okay, I need to pick carefully now. Or maybe, okay, one. Okay, a light one. Tell me a little bit about you and music.
What about us?
What do you like music? If you do like music, who are your favorite artists? Who would you give your lost money to go and see live? No one, clearly. That I know.
I'm not into live music at all.
You're not into live
Not
music?
really, no.
Have you been to a live show?
I have been
and
to
not
a
been
concert.
wowed?
Yes, and I've been to 2 amazing concerts,
Okay.
right? I went to go see J. Cole and I went to go see Chance the Rapper. Anyway.
I couldn't have
What?
figured it out
How?
before this, but now that you're like,
But you
J.
know
Cole, I'm
that-
just like, oh, cherry pop. Okay, I think it just slipped my mind.
And those are 2 of my favorite things. Like I loved every single part of both of those things.
Okay.
But andizuthenga tikiti like
Ndiliwine.
Like
But andizongenela competition yolu.
I'm not going to do anything to make sure that I go. But if it so happens,
Awungomntu wento ezininzi ne?
no,
I don't think umculo yinto yam. Awungomntu okay.
But I can also go for weeks without listening to any
Okay,
music at all. Like like Raw Dog Gym, like dinga-
Well, like just
dinga
go to
press a
live
play on
like you're
anything.
in the 1900s.
100%. 100%. So I don't know. I know I like music, but I recognize it also.
Okay.
But I know people who can't do that.
yeah.
like-
Life yakhe.
Yeah, exactly. So I don't know banzothi ndiyawuthanda umculo. I mean, we come from a very musical family as well.
Yes.
So music is like a thing that does bring us joy.
Yeah.
But I feel like a lot of the time I use music as just a filler.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's interesting.
Mm.
What?
Yeah.
I
Ngoba,
know
"Oh, hayi wethu, kuthule apha. Let me play
Ewe.
something." Noma yini. Wena?
It took days. Could be took days. That sounds very like something that I could completely like that I attach to.
Mm.
I use music as a filler.
Mm.
I didn't know that up until you said it
Oh, wow.
for myself.
Damn.
Nam, to a very large extent. I guess Nam I use it as a okay, man, funa ukushreka ncam. You understand?
Ewe, funeke ndiyive le track
Yes,
intsha
but
kabani.
like I see people like xa kusiza abantu abathile kuzo Chris Breezy
Yeah.
and people are just like dog
I'm first in line.
zithengwa phi kidneys
Yeah.
Ziyothengisa, you understand? Oh, Kem is coming.
Yeah.
Ban, and people are just like, yo, I'm just like, ha, ne, bandingaluwina. Mhlawumbi ndingalithengisa ngeli tikiti. So like,
It's whatever.
yes, but ndiyawuthanda umculo we-Christian music.
Mm.
Ndiyayithanda i-Christian music, whether it's i-Christian music leyo Rivers, no ban. Shout to the Lord. Yabo? Ndiyayithanda Seventh-day Adventist Christian
Yeah.
a cappella music.
Uh.
I-music yaseculweni.
Mm.
I also like have a real thing for South African hip hop.
Okay.
South African hip hop to
Yeah.
be specific.
Yeah.
But nakhona like kanzophumando. You understand? If I'm mamelanga on us to sleep for 6 months. Or if you drop healer,
And
I'm not gonna run. You know what I mean?
And
So,
bakhona abantu abanjalo.
yes.
That's weird.
Yeah.
That's so wild.
I think we were made to be siblings.
This date has
Do you think that has anything to do with the fact that we said no? It doesn't though. These things are not
can't.
linked.
I don't think so. Leo Kuchas, it's weird that we feel the same
Yeah.
about it. The music one's also weird that we feel the same about it.
But what I'm noticing with this conversation is that we feel the same way about these things in terms of there's not one thing that we can both say, but it's a commonality.
No.
Like something that you could bond on. Do you know what I
No,
mean?
but
Like if
asithanda
we both
ukutya
loved
one.
food, we could bond on that.
Oh, 100%.
If we both love music, we could bond on ezinto singazifuniyo. Also don't present bonding moments.
No.
That's so weird.
What you doing? Nothing. You want to not listen to some music together?
Okay, hopefully we're gonna get that. We're gonna get to that in part 2.
Yeah, okay. Cool.
Oh man, I really love this.
Yeah, this is fun. Well
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. And yeah, I think guys, I definitely got to Indobendi Funam out of this episode.
done.
And I'm hoping that maybe you guys also get the opportunity to also kind of just play around a little bit with also the people in your life that are close to you, people that you know, etc., family members. And yeah, just see. I think it'll be very interesting to do it as an exercise. In a picture, buze Grootman yakhe. Uba Grootman uyawuthanda umculo. Grootman angena 50. And then you, because with some of these questions,
Yeah.
you will literally see someone light up, bro.
100%. Umuntu akubalisele izinto that you never
Yo.
knew about them and the way things make them feel.
Yo, utata akho ona 80 akuculela uDeborah Cox from start to finish.
How did you?
So this year we're definitely trying to get closer. And if you're looking for a sign,
There it is. Whoop, there it is.
But yeah, outside of that, yeah, I guess we'll definitely. I'm committing. We're doing a part 2. And outside of that, you know what it is.
Don't forget.
Love each other.